How to use your own Wi-Fi router with Starlink. Want to use your own Wi-Fi router or a mesh system with Starlink? Here's how to add your own equipment to Starlink routers, old and new, boosting your coverage and speed to the next level. Table of contents. So you have got your Starlink satellite internet services up and running, but what if you want to add a different Wi-Fi router to your home setup? What if the included Wi-Fi router is not delivering the sort of coverage you need? We have been testing and writing about Starlink for years, so we know the ins and out of the popular yet syncretic internet services from Elon Musk's SpaceX. In this guide, we shall help you set up your Starlink service to work with a third-party Wi-Fi router. Many good reasons might prompt you to make the switch. The Starlink router that combines with your dish is adequate for basic Wi-Fi connectivity, and it is essential for powering and communicating with your dish. Still, it is not the most sophisticated home network solution. Gaming routers offer more options in terms of Wi-Fi polarization and quality of service settings. Mesh routers let you expand your network to encompass significantly larger areas, better service, multi-story homes, and accommodate order construction that may have signal-killing materials like brick walls or steel beams. And the benefits of using a third-party routers don't stop here. Depending upon which Starlink router you have, you might find yourself by the lack of external connection to accommodate all of your wired devices like printers or network attached storage NAS devices, or you might just be confused about which port is which and how to adjust the setting. Which Starlink router do you have? Starlink shifted to a new hardware earlier this year, making the Dish V4 and Gen 3 router the standard for new customers. This moves bring within a number of improvements to both the spaces and the performance, but the change also complicates the instructions for adding your own router to the mix. So before we do anything else, let's figure out which model you have. If you got your rectangular dish in 2022 or 2023, you shall be using the Gen 2 router, a Wi-Fi 5 router that has no external connectors beyond power and the cable that connects to the dish. The Starlink Gen 2 router with Wi-Fi 5 was the standard until recently. For this router, you shall need to buy a Starlink Ethernet adapter. To make the purchase, you shall need to turn the accessories sold through the Starlink shop, which is only available to Starlink customers. In addition to dish mounts and replacement cables, the company store offers accessories for networking your whole home, whether by adding wire devices or extending your Wi-Fi coverage with a compatible third-party router. If you bought your gear in this year, on the other hand, you probably have the newer Wi-Fi 6 model called the Gen 3 router. It comes with two external Ethernet ports, so no adapter is needed. The Starlink Router 3 with Wi-Fi 6 is what Starlink is selling now. Whichever router you have, the process of connecting Starlink internet to your own hardware is pretty straightforward but not immediately initiative.